pretty nice for a grayling. Yep, that's actually a pretty nice one for a grayling. A lot bigger than that often.
Oops, oops, oops. Calm down. I don't want to hurt you.
Can you get it out?
I think I'm going to need you to do it. I'm going to hurt this close to his eye.
All right, let's